Residents of Yamumbi and Lemok villages within Uasin Gishu County are now appealing to elders from the Kikuyu and Kalenjin communities to offer an explanation on a Mugumo tree that fell a month ago and has reportedly risen again with its roots firmly back in the soil.
And as our reporter Lois Ngui explains, villagers are grappling with various explanations about this strange phenomenon, with some falling just short of declaring the site a holy shrine.
Yamambi village is usually dull and sleepy, but it would become a host to several people curious to catch a glimpse of this rare occurrence. The mode of transport did not matter, they just had to be there. And one by one, they thronged the site of what some now refer to as a miracle tree.
My first time kuona.
A standard 4 pupil at Gūte Primary School now claims to have witnessed the occurrence on his way to school, becoming the center of attraction.
Naweza waambia hii niliona mimi nikaishtuka, ilikuwa mashangao sana. Ilikuwa inaamka pole pole hivi, alafu karibu ifike katikati ikainuka na nguvu na force.
His mother, Susan Lele, initially dismissed the claims but now has a different view.
Kweli huyu mtu ulikuwa umeanguka, hii mizizi ilikuwa imeinuka hivi. Sasa mtu wenyewe ulikuwa umeanguka mpaka huko kwa shamba.
The news so shocking that villagers are yet to come to terms with the incident. They now want elders to offer a possible interpretation.
Īria zamani ya Kikuyu anaitwa Kamunu. Jana tukakuja nao mpaka hapa, wakaangalia, wakatuambia wataenda kuzungumza, watuambie sababu.
To the taxi and border operators, the incident was a major blessing.
Hiyo Mugumo imefanya biashara yetu imekuwa mzuri. Nafurahi kwa sababu watu imenawiri, wanatuambia tu tuwalete.
Some just falling short of declaring the place a holy shrine.
Nimeenda hapo chini nikapata maji inachipuka ndani. Wakati nimekunywa hiyo maji, nasikia nimepona, kifua ilikuwa na shida.
In African traditional society, a Mugumo tree was considered sacred. As such, residents here tell me that is the sole reason they kept tabs with this particular tree and they were able to file these particular events. So is it real or not? But in the eyes of the residents here, they say the reports they have made on this day are actually real time. Lois Wangoi, NTV, Yamombi, in the county of Uasin Gishu.